Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a secure code on the Klarna application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile button next to the budget option at the bottom of the page, and here go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen. In the privacy and security section, you can find the first option, the Klarna code, and tap to the, if you want to add the code, just click to the Klarna code option, tap to the next gray circle, and new you can choose Klarna code, and if you write this you done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.